You're looking at a 2021 Hyundai Kona SEL electric SUV with 22,000 miles. This vehicle comes loaded up, has all the safety systems, ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, collision systems, lane keep assist, blind spot monitors, DC fast charging with level 1 and level 2 capabilities, and level 3 for fast charging. So the blind spot monitors. VIN number is right here. Black exterior, gray cloth interior. Automatic transmission. We've got Apple Carplay, Android Auto compatibility, drive shift modes, reverse backup camera, obviously, climate controls, air conditioning, heated seats. It's got all the steering wheel controls right here. Bluetooth, obviously. The exact mileage is 22040. It gets about 260 miles at 100% charge. It's got the blind spot monitors here. Traction control, lane keep assist functionality, full power options, except, I'm sorry, no power seats. It does come with a charger. You're hearing that beeping because the key's in my pocket and the car's on. Absolutely no stories. One owner, no accidents. It was just traded into Tesla. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, it's 508-921-0301. And I'm just going to give you one more walk around.